Hello everyone. We will discuss about embedded C which we are using in the embedded system. Now, what is embedded C? As everyone is familiar with C language, so embedded C is a set of language extension for the C programming language by the C standards community to address the issues that exist between C extension for different embedded systems. Whenever the conventional C language and its extension are used for the programming embedded system, then it is called as a embedded C programming. We will see about difference between C language and embedded C. So as we know, C is the well-structured, well-defined programming language. Also, C language uses compiler. That is, compiler is used for the conversion of program written in C to the target processor specific binary files. That means with the help of compiler, we are going to convert this programming, that is the C program, into machine code. Whereas embedded C can be considered as a subset of conventional C language. Also, it uses cross compiler. That means cross compiler is used for the conversion of program written in embedded C to target processor or controller specific instruction. Means here we are using cross compiler to convert this embedded C program into machine language. Next one is the difference between compiler and cross compiler. So first we will see about compiler. Compiler is a software tool that converts a source code written in the high level language on the top of the particular operating system running on a specific target processor architecture. Actually, C language uses compiler and embedded C uses cross compiler. So next is the cross compiler. We will see about cross compiler. Cross compiler, it is again a software tool used in cross platform development application. Cross compiler is a compiler capable of creating executable code for the platform other than one on which the compiler is running. For example, microcontroller of an embedded system, because those system contains no operating system. Keywords. Keywords is the specific word with the special meaning to the compiler. For example, a software that is used to convert program written in C to the machine code, it is the use of compiler. As we know, there are some reserved name that which we are using in the C language. So these are called as a keywords. All keywords should be written in lowercase letter. For example, integer, character, double, float, void, while, for, etc. Now, next is what is the use of identifiers in embedded C. So as we know, each program element in the C program are given a name called as identifier. Names are given to identify variables, function and array, and all are the examples of identifier. Also we can say that identifier are the user defined names and labels. Also, it contains alphabets and numbers. The starting character of the identifier should be a letter and only specific character allowed in the identifier. Now, data type. Data type represents the type of data held by the variable. As we know, embedded C software uses four data types that are used to store data in the memory: character, integer, float and double. Char is used to store any single character. Int, integer, is used to store integer value. Float is used to store any precision floating point value. And next is the double. These are the four data types which we are using in the embedded C. So, first data type is the char. The size of character is 8 bits. That means 1 byte. Next is the integer. The size of integer is 16 bits. Float. The size of float is 32 bits. That means 4 bytes. And the last one is the double. The size of double is 64 bits. All these are the data types which we are using in the embedded system.